Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare this bed to plant some potatoes. Previously I had garlic in it. I added some compost on the top, and now I'm going to fork it. So it's called single dig. So you just fork it 12 inches and loosen up the soil, and then I'm going to go ahead and plant the small potatoes that are sprouted in my pantry. So yeah, I'll just show you the process as I go through. I'm gonna plant them about 12, 12 inches apart, so you can see better. This is about 11.5 inches. That's good enough for me. I'm gonna use this as my measuring stick. So every 12 inches, I'm gonna put a new row and make the trench for the potatoes. So in this bed, like I said, I used to have garlic, and I have soybean and some broccoli, I should say, broccoli and soybean, and the three plants are companion plants, which means they work well together. They don't compete for nutrients, for the same nutrients. So they should be fine grown next to each other. So I dug in deep about 6 inches there. Now I'm gonna, oh, the potatoes are here. Just start putting the potatoes. Top here with the eye up, and it's about, I'm gonna put them about 12 inches apart. Let's see, this is not deep enough. Use my stick. See here. There you go. So 1, 2, and 3. And another 3 on this row. Here is the 3rd row. Get ready for it. And I'm just gonna dig down about let's see, 6 inches. About it's about 4 plus the soil on top. That'll probably make 6 inches, guessing. There we go. Maybe a little bit more, just make sure. And that's it. Now, this one has eyes on it, so I'm just gonna place it with the eye up. Just plop it in there. And then you stick second one, and then the 3rd one. There we go. And that's it. Yeah, and then just gently put the soil back. And then I'm gonna give it just a good watering and keep watering it until they sprout. So just gonna even that out. There we go. So I got 3, 6, 9, and this bed is 3 feet by 3 by, let's see, 3 by 2.5. Yeah. So 3 feet by 2.5, and I got 369. So 3 feet by 2.5, you can fit 9 small potatoes plants in there. I kept the potatoes moist until they started to sprout. This was 13 days after I planted them, and some of them already started to come up, which is really exciting. And I'm just gonna keep the soil moist until all of them come up. And yeah, I'll show you the harvest once I harvest them in about 3 months or so. Thank you so much for watching and happy gardening.